Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about another huge advertising platform, and I'm talking about worldprofit.com. And as I said, this is a huge advertising platform with over 2.7 million users, million members, as you can see here. And they have been around since 1994, guys. All right, it's 28 days, years, sorry, 28 years. Okay, so it's a huge platform. It's probably the oldest advertising platform out there. Okay, when they started, I didn't have an idea what a computer was, let alone affiliate marketing or advertising or in general online marketing. Alright, so this is the site that I wanted to cover in today's video, and don't mind the display, the graphics, the way it looks. Actually, it's very old as a site, but it has been updated over time. Okay, and then again, you can never judge a book by its cover, right? The fact that they have been around for 28 years now, that tells a lot. It means that it works. However, before we get into more details, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, first of all, this is a free site to join, but unfortunately not every advertising feature is for free. And actually the best advertising packages or features are for purchase. They are not for free. Okay, so this will be your dashboard, the dashboard of your account whenever you create your free account. And on the dashboard, besides all the information that a dashboard has on every site, here you have also an additional feature that it is a live business center, they call it, but it is a live support. One member of worldprofit.com will be live here in order to help you answer any question that you might have. But okay, so the way that it works is that you type your question here, and this person will reply to you live. Okay, they can't hear you, they only read whatever you write here. And sorry about the sound. Okay, however, you can turn it off here if you don't want this live support. Okay, just click that and you will get back to the dashboard. Now, apparently, as of now, they have a special offer for upgrading to membership, however, to silver membership. However, let's just jump to main menu. Here on the left side, there is the main menu, all the features that this site offers, and most of them you can also find it right here on the header. Okay, now this is the first section of the main menu, promotion and links. So the moment that you log into your WordProfit account, you get to know it, you start using it, then you want to promote it. Here you will find all the affiliate links that you can share with your audience, and one of these links you will find it in the description of this video if you want to join under my referral link. For example, let's check this one. Test click here, and this is one of the affiliate links. I might as well leave this link in the description of this video, and what you want to do is just sign up for free. And the moment that you sign up for free, then you will get some free bonuses and free credits and free visitors to your website in order to get you started. For example, the moment you sign up for first time, create your account, log in, you will get 50,000 visitors to any URL you want to promote. Okay, and this is a tutorial video, an introduction video about George Koch, and he is recording the video as well. And I suggest that you watch every video for every feature that you find. Okay, so simple as that. Just copy one of these links and then share it wherever you can, so you can get referrals. Okay, and this is promote your affiliate URL. So this is the advertising feature. Now, as I've mentioned, unfortunately the best features are not for free. Okay, you can purchase different packages such as, and let me just go here to the header. Okay, diamond rotator. So this is a rotator that you can purchase for $37 for 1 year. So it's not very expensive, right? And you can add 5 URLs, and wordprofit.com will rotate your site in hundreds of traffic exchange sites and advertising platforms. All right, as you can see down here, these are all the sites that your links on that rotator will be displayed. Okay, so the other feature is gold banner rotator, and again these are not for free, and it costs $37 one-time payment. Again, five banners. It's the same as diamond rotator, but here you promote banners. Okay, and your banners will be displayed on all of these sites for 1 full year. You don't have to do anything, and of course you can change the URLs or the banners whenever you want. Okay, so the next feature, Sapphire Solo Rotator. Again, not for free, but it's only $47 one-time payment. Okay, and solo email advertising to 5 URLs, change anytime, weekly starts, mail, any affiliate program, business opportunities, or if you want to use this feature for building your own list. However, as I go very quickly on this feature on this site, there is a help video on every feature, so make sure to check out the videos as well whenever you go into a new page or a new feature. There are always videos, or you can go to the home page and talk directly to use the live chat to talk directly to a user that is doing the support for the day. Okay, because they change from time to time. Ruby solos, and it is specified right here. This is are all the sites that your Ruby solo will be displayed on, will be sent. Sorry, and you can purchase one solo blast to all of these subscribers, and are, as of now, this is an old number, but as of now there are more than 30,000 subscribers, sorry, 130k. Okay, so one solo blast to all of them for $17, $37 for 5 solos, etc., to $67 for 60 solo blasts. And again, this is not too expensive. Traffic Blaster is the next feature, the one that I already have, and there you go. I created it last year, so I got like 30 days left, less than 30 days left. So let's say within a year I got this many visitors to whatever affiliate you are promoting. And it's not this, because a year ago Leadsly Profit didn't exist, but I changed it recently, and here is the count: 147,763 visitors. Okay, so within 1 year I got around 150,000 visitors to my website, and it's like a little bit less than 15,000 per month, something like that. Okay, like 10,000 per month, which is very, very good. All right, and the other feature that I want to talk about, and I also purchased these features, is the affiliate link blaster, and this is a feature found only on worldprofit.com, and they will promote your affiliate link on over 180,000 active members for 1 year, but it costs $97 for 1 year, and this feature is good if you want to get signups or direct referrals to any affiliate program that you are promoting. Also for building your list as quick as possible. And there are also login ads, and here are also the specified prices. For 20,000 visitors it costs $157. Okay, and ad stream, of course. Now this is free advertising, but let me just jump to the main menu again because we'll see this feature again. So on the main menu, here are the features that you will find. Let's start with special, our daily deal. Here you can get informed for whatever promotion or discount they have. Okay, promote your affiliate URL, which already saw. It was all of these features that you can use to advertise, all of these advertising packages. Okay, free classified ads is the ad stream, the same as ad stream. So what you want to do is you go here, you click on at least 10 of these ads, and then just go right here on the top right and click on post your ad. Okay, but I haven't clicked those 10 ads, that's why I can post it right now. It's very simple, guys. You just click 10 of these ads and then you just post your own. Okay, now another way to advertise for free here is this ad stream, as I've mentioned, is this right here that looks like a chat box, but actually it is not a chat box. Here you can enter your ad, text ad preferably, and there is no HTML code is not allowed. So what you want to do is enter a catchy title, for example, still struggling for traffic, and then enter your URL. Check this out. All right, and then what you want to do is enter your URL or whatever you are promoting. Okay, and this will be displayed right here, and among millions of users that WordProfit has, imagine how many can log in every day. They will see your post right here, and here it is. The moment you create it, it will be on the first place, and then whatever the first place will be whatever other users are sharing at the moment. So this is for free. As I've mentioned at the beginning of this video, you also get 50,000 visitors whenever you sign up for the first time, but this is only one time, a one-time bonus. Okay, I've already spent it because I've been a member for over a year now, and I've already received all the visitors, the free visitors, and also you have your goodies here. And again, I'm not gonna go on all of these features because there is a lot, and you have your goodies here. So what you want to do is just watch this video by clicking here, watch silver presentation video now, and after that all of these products here will be available for you to get them. Okay, you type, and as you can see, type is ebook, 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 and then after you get these products, you can use these for giveaway, or you can sell them, or you can use them on your landing pages in order to attract more visitors and to create your list. Okay, to get as many subscribers as possible. Okay, and other ways that this site will help you to advertise, obviously, is by building a free mini blog. Okay, now I'm not gonna get through it, but whoever has created a blog once in their life, then they will not have any difficulties on creating a mini blog on WordProfit as well. However, this is the tutorial video by George Koch, the owner of WordProfit, but I promise you it's quite simple to do so. However, check out this video as well. Okay, Now there are other lots of features right here that I'm not gonna go into them because I think that these were the more important ones. How can you advertise using this wonderful and old and effective platform? Okay, so the other thing and the last one that I want to talk about in this video is the silver membership. Now, I'm not gonna explain what you gain by upgrading to silver membership, which I strongly recommend, but the only thing that I want to mention is that even if you purchase a 1 month silver membership upgrade, you will become a lifetime membership, upgraded membership on 18 of their traffic exchange sites and safe lists account. I've already explained this in my previous videos. I did that. I ordered a 1 month silver membership and now I am a VIP member or a lifetime upgraded member on these 18 lifetime traffic exchange sites. Okay, so that's why, and obviously you will get all of these other advertising goods when you upgrade, which I'm not gonna go into them right now. And by the way, here on sales and commissions, you can find your associates and whatever commission that you earn by them. This is my sponsor here with this. This is how I would look like on your dashboard, and these are also the payment methods used to withdraw commissions or to purchase any services. Okay, so to recapitulate, guys, on worldprofit.com you can advertise for free by using 50,000 free visitors when you sign up for the first time using the ad stream service, and also 500,000 free credits, which I forgot to mention, but this is how it works. You create accounts on these sites and then use the support page for each site to ask and request the credits for each site. And then this is done only one time, obviously, and then you use those credits to advertise your own business. But I didn't do this because I upgraded to silver and I got a lifetime upgraded membership on all of these here plus 10 more. So that's why I didn't, and I forgot to mention this feature. Okay, so basically this is it. You get these free credits, 50,000 free visitors, the ad stream. Also you can post classified ads as I've explained at the beginning. Or if you don't have time to do all of these, you can just purchase one of these advertising packages and use them, or directly upgrade to silver, platinum, or order a 1 silver membership. Now, I'm not gonna go to platinum membership because I don't really recommend this right away. Okay, you just create an account on World Profit, use it for a couple of weeks or for a couple of months to learn how to use it, to understand it better, and then you see if you want to promote it or if you want to upgrade. Okay, however, I strongly recommend that you use the free ads that you can, because as I've said, this site has more than 2.7 million users ready to watch your ad and whatever you are promoting. Okay, now I know there is a lot of information about this site, guys, and obviously I didn't mention all of it, not even half of it, because I don't want to make it a very long video and then confuse you with a lot of information. Okay, but the basic stuff are these: how to advertise on World Profit, which I think I've already covered, free ads, or you can purchase packages or an upgrade. However, in the description of this video you will find my referral link for World Profit. Feel free to check it out, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'd appreciate any other interaction such as like or comment, or even if you hit the notification bell. I'd appreciate that. I wish you all the best, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!